Good morning. It's 7. I have just been upstairs editing and playing a game on my phone since 5:15. Because if I get up at 5:15, someone else will get up at 5:15, won't they? Aria made it through the night. Steph, her friend's dad, texted me saying like 8:30ish. Aria wanted to go. Filmed on there. Aria wanted to go to sleep, and one of the little girls was just being really noisy. And then he said, I think about 8:30 she started to get a little bit like upset. So he put her in her friend's bed because they all had like teepees in the living room. He put her in her friend's bed and she was asleep within like 5 minutes. And he said I can hear her solid snoring. So yeah, she's fine. So Ben will go and get her in a couple of hours. The plan for today, Mika, what are we doing today?
Putting up Christmas decorations.
Gary's trying to punch you.
I'm so hungry.
He is so hungry, he's wasting away. Have you given them their food?
I'm not getting it.
The plan for today, to move the dining room back in there and the playroom in here. And then what else are we doing today, Mika? Something fun, what are we doing? What are we getting out of the loft?
Christmas decorations?
Yeah, because I like to have them up for the first day of December, and obviously the first day of December is in the middle of the week this week, so we're just going to do it today.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Right.
It's the hair, Mika.
Me and Mika did the snack box last night, but Fox wants to film it again, so we're going to let him open it. What you got? What is it?
Snack box.
Snack box your favourite?
Yeah.
Right, you want to have a look? You want to look?
I want Ben to sit there.
Yeah, Bender will sit here in a minute. He's just sorting out Rocky.
Oh, I think you like this.
This is you want to try a little cake?
You like brioche?
You try a little cake.
See? No.
Not that one? What about pizza crisps? They were Mika's favourite.
They are yummy, Foxy. I want pretty.
Yeah, go on then.
Foxy.
Yeah.
Pizzas are made up.
Bender has to come and sit next to Mika apparently.
Is it good? He loves it.
He has to have the camera apparently.
What are you eating?
For his snack box. He likes the pizza crisps.
I want to
No, he's not allowed them.
Can I have one?
No, Mika. These ones are meant. Just smell them and tell me what flavour they are.
I saw on the packet.
Foxy!
They just taste ready salted. They're nice, but they just taste ready salted.
Daddy!
Wow.
This is all Mika was eating last night. What else we got, Foxy? You want to try a cookie?
Oh,
You like cookies, do you?
That was good, Foxy.
You show us?
Like, yummy.
Wow, you have a little bite and see what you think. Good?
I'm gonna have a little one.
You like it?
Can we share what you can?
Oh, that's nice. What about this one? You want to try a tronky?
Tronky.
What about... What else do you want to try? You just want to eat your cookie? You like the snack box?
Yeah.
You give it a thumbs up? Did you do a proper thumbs up?
Yeah.
Oh! Mika's always done this when she was little for thumbs up, and I've just
Foxy.
encouraged all of them to do it. He just gave me a proper thumbs up.
Go on, Foxy.
Doing it.
Thumbs up. Oh, my little baby's not a baby. He's a big boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, you stay here and eat your snack box. Mummy's going to make a coffee, okay? Was that a good video? Good boy.
Thumbs up.
How's your pancakes? How's your pancakes, bud?
Good.
How's yours?
Good.
You haven't eaten yours yet, have you?
Really, no.
We're doing eggless pancakes because they're the best ones.
I want something pretty.
you want to eat, my man? I don't think there's anything in the fridge for you.
Or in here.
No.
Or in here.
I think so. So we've moved some stuff. I'll update in a bit. What are you two doing? Are you in a den?
Yeah.
You're in a chair room?
Umbrella.
A room made of chairs? Yeah? I hate this sofa so much, but...
You do like getting your hands dirty.
Just turned it up again.
She did.
Yeah, I'm like 16. Then the dining table's going to be in here. We'll see. Right, it's done-ish. So, yeah, Gary is very comfortable. Aren't you? Very comfortable. Banana's comfy. So yeah, we've just moved that across, and then we put those two here, and then absolute carnage of the nail. What's happening here? You've been painting your foot? So the dining room's like this now. I always like this room better as a dining room. And the girls been painting. Ari, who made it all night at the sleepover? You really proud of yourself? Yeah. You should be. It's a really, really brave thing. Well done. It's your first night away, wasn't it? And we're doing some painting now. Fox has done all of his hands and his feet. Just wash that in the sink, mate. Or do you just want to get rid of that bit?
Yeah, let's get this rid of
Yeah.
that bit.
Okay. Kids are having their lunch. What time is it? 12:18. Cats have had their lunch. I'm now heating up mine and Ben's lunch. It looks gross, but I made it yesterday. It's cabbage roll soup, basically. So it's got like cabbage in it, and mince and potatoes and celery and onions and carrots and tomato and potato. It's just delicious. It looks disgusting though. And we've just rearranged in here. So this little sofa was over there, the dog was there, and this sofa was here, and then that thing there went along this wall. So we just had a wiggle around so we can put the Christmas tree in the middle. That is the plan. And then we need to sort this out because this is just carnage. I'm selling these. If anyone wants them. There's a tea, a coffee. He's slightly different. He says tea. And that was a different one that says coffee as well. So there's oil all over my hand from somewhere. Selling all of them if anyone wants them. They're going to go on eBay. But yeah, going to have our lunch and then do Christmas decorations. Telly off please, everybody. We are building the Christmas tree. Woohoo! Fox, do you love tinsel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow! I love tinsel.
Who's going to choose the Christmas tree?
Me.
More dog food.
Yeah, that's what I just saw. It's not a toy. It wraps the Christmas trees. We'll show you in a minute.
I know.
It does, I promise.
No.
Yeah, we got to go pick a Christmas tree. Come on. Let's go find one. Look, Foxy, you can watch it now. Look. Sneak it, Ben. You're not allowed in that bit. Look, Foxy, look. See? It's not a toy. See, it wraps Christmas trees. He thought it was a tunnel. He cried because he wanted to go in it.
You want to pull it through?
Do you want to pull it through? You want to help? Go with Daddy and you can help. Wow. Pull. Ready, go. Keep pulling, Foxy. Good boy.
Ow.
We have to release it.
Got a Stanley blade.
Nah, it's alright. Look, it's just coming off. You'll just have to lift it over the top. We decided that the fake Christmas tree was crap. So we got a real one. She's beautiful. Do you love her? Not yet. She's the last one to go on, Ari. We've got to do the lights first.
I'm doing.
What have you got? What have you got for your bedroom? And this is yours. Look, this says your name. Hang it on your Christmas tree.
Birthday.
F R X. You take him. Go put him on your Christmas tree.
I love it.
You love it. Let me see then.
Don't do that.
Making it pretty.
No.
Is that your little Christmas tree? Oh, Foxy, he's lovely. You should put him
I'll put him up. Where?
wherever you want.
Where?
It's your tree, Bubby.
There.
Oh, wow.
I love it.
You love it. That makes me happy, happy mummy.
You're
gonna put it up there, Bubby?
Here, or do you want it over here where you can see it?
On your tool bench? Do you want it on your tool bench?
Don't throw in cat.
No, we don't throw we don't throw cars. We don't throw cars. She's done. We have the most random selection of baubles. Bloody skulls. Hippo in a tutu. Robot. Turtle. Dinosaur. Lots of glass birds. Big fat Christmas pudding sloth. Lots of these.
Swart.
Random ones the kids have made over the years.
Cabin.
Why?
Lots of
Down
birds.
the stairs, do we?
Yeah. Little goth one. Oh, we've got
You come in.
a little Christmas eyeball. Who's going to put her on the top this year?
Me.
Come on then,
You
sausage.
got clean hands.
Yeah, make sure your hands are clean.
No chalky on them.
She's very expensive from the pound shop about 13, 14 years ago. She's a bit drunk and wobbly, but we like her. And then let's go watch Foxy put it on. Oh, Daddy's going to have to lift you really high. Come on, sausage. Hooray! Oh, she's drunk. That's good. Well done. Good boy. Say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Good boy. Hey, it's 8:10. We are finished with the Christmas decorating. I'll show you it all tomorrow. I'm really pleased with it all. I'm so pleased we went and got a real tree. And I feel awful. The girls have never had a real tree before, and my mum has never ever had a fake tree, and so I never had them growing up. And then when I think it was the first Christmas with Mika, maybe we had a real one the first Christmas with Mika, but then the next year we had a newborn and a toddler, so we ended up getting a fake one, and then we've just had fake ones ever since, and I absolutely hate them so much, so much. So yeah, I'm really, really happy we've got a real one. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired. So I'm gonna have a shower and go to bed. And that's it for today.